Charlie, what do we got going on here, buddy?
I took a nosedive on some ice, and dropped it a little too hard. Center of the truck, buddy.
Sometimes all you need is a nice relaxing day on a snowy trail. Getting away from the busyness of the city, where it's quiet. Unless you decide to go with Charlie in his straight pipe Sequoia, then it's probably not going to be that quiet. It was a pretty easy day. We started at Rule Ridge and cut over to Phantom Creek, north of Divide, Colorado. This is a very easy trail with no real obstacles. Thought it would be kind of fun in the snow.
Probably can't see it on camera, but this has got a nice little incline to it. And when you weigh 6,000 pounds in the snow, downhill's not fun. Nice and easy.
I have taken this route quite a few times. Once was back in July of 2021. That was probably one of my first trips taking the Armada off-road. This was also my first water crossing on a road called Manchester Creek. Nothing crazy in the middle of summer, but apparently this creek changes quite a bit in the middle of winter.
The hitch right there, or can I reach it underwater?
Deeper. You're digging a hole. Whenever you drop back down, it went deeper than where you were at before.
All right, hold up.
Oh yeah. All right, light gas, hit it like full bore.